Now, what we're going to be talking about today is how astrology can be utilized for understanding cultural trends and historical cycles, which I think is one of the most fascinating areas of astrology that actually is interesting apart from astrology's value as a tool in counseling. Now, just to give you a very simple example, the planet Pluto, again, Pluto has to do with a number of things as an archetype, all of which you can see are somewhat related. For example, Pluto has to do with sex, death, and taxes. By taxes, what we really mean is other people's money, any kind of financial ties or bonds. That means that if Pluto is in a particular sign, the economic landscape to some degree is going to be characterized by the nature of that sign. Now, when Pluto is in Sagittarius, it actually corresponded to the greatest boom period in American financial history. Sagittarius, the quality, the meaning of Sagittarius is that it is innately expansive. It's ebullient. It's enthusiastic. It's hopeful. It's optimistic. Now, the danger with Sagittarius, because it represents this expansive impulse that has a lot to do, by the way, with faith and trust in the divine and the search for truth and meaning. It's connected to philosophy and anything that expands your mental horizons. See? Now, what do you think would happen when it goes into Capricorn in early 2008? Then it went back into Sagittarius just momentarily. We call that retrograde motion. And then around November, it went into Capricorn to stay for the next 14 years. The very nature of Capricorn is it compensates, or it's a reaction formation against Sagittarian excesses. Every sign, in a sense, is a reaction against and the antithesis of the sign that comes before it. And so what happens is that the markets froze up. There was an economic contraction. Banks didn't want to lend money anymore. Money got tight. Everybody now starts to save. They realize, in a sense, that the jig is up. Sagittarius has run its course. We are all way overextended financially.